GREAT Detectors. We offer the world's first device with the latest technology in the world of hardware. GREAT Neutron. A detailed explanation of how to use the entire device. The device operates with two advanced search systems and a depth of 8 meters below ground. GREAT Neutron is lightweight, easy to use, and not affected by any natural factors. First system, the ground scanning 3D. Second system, the system of discrimination between metals. How to install the device. First, install the support tablet with the device 360 degrees. Second, attach the tablet to the base of tablet. Third, connect the USB charger to the tablet. The ground scanning system 3D. Turn on the tab and open the program for the opening device from the file. Turn the device on and connect with tab. How to use the device. First, position the device vertically 90 degrees. Second, make sure the device is 5 to 10 centimeters high. We start scanning one shot in every 50 centimeters. At the beginning of survey we take 10 shots between 30 and 50 centimeters. We can take longitudinal or accidental surface composed of 10 clips. Press scan and then move half meter. Press scan again and move the same distance. The colors in graphic image indicate: green, free zone; blue, vacuum; yellow, metals; red, gold. Not, we can take 30 frames or more or all the entire piece. The system of discrimination between metals. This system distinguishes between metals, gold, precious metals and blanks. Point the device to ground. Make sure the device is 5 to 10 centimeters high. Move the device from right to left to distinguish the target underground. We press scan button along scan distance. A graph appears when scanning. The colors in graphic image indicate: green, free zone or ground; blue, vacuum; yellow, metals mixture; red, find gold. The GREAT Neutron is one of the most advanced technologies that the German technology has achieved in the world. It is distinguished by its ease of use, lightweight, and is not affected by any natural factors in any place such as basalt rocks. We provide all the services and follow-up services to any customer. With wishes GREAT Detectors all successes.